Halina sa Kids Casina.
It's Christina. So today we're making fool. So these are fool beans. We call fava beans. So we just open already into this pot. So there's already made one. So but we're gonna make one.
Fool? Because you're fool.
So we're gonna make one. Yeah. Smash the beans since it's now cooked. Ask an adult if you need help. So now it's all mashed. We're gonna add garlic and olive oil. But if you want, you can add other stuff to it.
Alis naman! Saan naman nakal naman? Sige po.
So then you have garlic. So now you're going to put it inside.
Sige. Sige. Delicious naman. Kaon. Alright.
So then we're going to put some olive oil, but first you have to mix it first. You don't want bits of garlic now, so don't really. Put some olive oil, and there we go. And guys, you didn't drain the water because it's going to add the sauce to it. I'll show you. So you add a little bit of salt if you like. And guys, the only thing that we just add, the only thing we just had, is just add beans and then add our own things to it. So you just have to leave it for 2 minutes now. So guys, for just a little touch, we're just gonna add some lemon juice to it. Oh, what's that? Oh. And some tomato puree. Yeah, tomato puree. So we're gonna mix it. Mix. Some tasty food we're gonna eat today. So anyway, bye guys. I hope. Wait, guys, not really. We have to show you what it looks like first. So, but I want to say that. So normally we eat this with hummus, also known as bread in Arabic. And pan in Filipino as for bread. So there you go. From beans, from fava beans to fool, which we're gonna eat with bread. And if you eat this, that means you are a fool. You see a bash. So then you just get some bread and eat it. So anyway, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And please subscribe down below, put a thumbs up, and bye. Let's go and eat this now. And remember, this is Kids Casina. Bye!